Hello students, welcome all of you. As in the previous classes, we have been discussed about the mean median mode of any given group data, in which we have learned about the methods of finding mean of given group data by two methods. The first one was direct method. The second was shortcut method or assumed mean method. Today we will discuss about the third method, that is known as step deviation method. As in the direct method, we have been used the formula x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, and in assumed mean method, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. That formula has been used in the given two methods. Today we will discuss a step deviation method. In step deviation method, the formula that will be used will be x bar is equal to a plus h into sigma fi ui upon sigma fi, in which, as you know, a is assumed mean, h is the new thing. H is what? H is known as class width. That means in particular classes, the difference of the upper limit and lower limit will be known as h, and that is known as class width. And ui will be equal to where? Here we can write where h class width and ui is equal to di upon h. Di upon h, that means xi minus a upon h. And we will use the table, some different table in this method. We will just learn this method by using an example, taking an example as a question. Okay. Now in this question, we have given some class intervals: 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45. 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, and 75 to 85, with the respective frequencies 6, 11, 7, 4, 4, 2, 1. And we have to find mean of the given data using step deviation method, for which we are going to make a table in which the first will be the class interval as the previous. The second column includes the frequency. The third one will be the value of xi. class interval frequency, that is also known as Fi, class mark, that is Xi, after that Di, that is equal to Xi minus A upon, Xi minus A. Then another column that includes the value Ui, that is equal to Xi minus A, that is Di also, upon H. The next column that will include Fi Ui. Now, from the above table, we are going to mark the first class. So here the class intervals that is given 15 to 25 with the frequency 6, and the value of Xi, as we know, Xi is the average of the limits, that means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 25 plus 15, that is 40. 40 divided by 2, that will be 20. We will fill that the remaining part after some time. First of all, we will use to this table to complete this part only. 3 tables only. 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, and last one is 75 to 85. So here the frequencies that is given 11, 7, 4, 4, 2 and 1. Now the value of Xi, 35 plus 25, that is equal to 60 divided by 2, that is 30. Now continuing the same, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80, that will be the Xi. Now we are going to find Di. First of all, we have to consider any value of Xi as the assumed mean. You can use any of the given value as A, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, any one value you can use. Now here I am going to consider 50 as middle, 50 as the A, value of A is 50. So the value of Di is equal to Xi minus A. So 20 minus 50, that is minus 30. Then 30 minus 50 minus 20. Similarly, it will be minus 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now, the value of Ui. Before getting the value of Ui for each class interval, what will be the value of H here? Then the difference between the upper limit and lower limit, that is 25 minus 50. The width is 10, so the value of H is equal to 10. So for the first condition, the value of Ui is equal to minus 30 by 10, that is equal to minus 3. Similarly here, minus 20 by 10, that is minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. You can ignore the symbols plus also, right here 1, 2, 3 only. Now value of Fi Ui, Fi into Ui, Fi is given here and Ui is here. So the first one will be 6 into minus 3, that is minus 80. Similarly 11 into minus 2, minus 22. 7 into minus 1, minus 7. 4 into 0, that is 0. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 2, 4. And 1 into 3, that is 3. So we have the value of Fi Ui, and as per the formula we have to consider sigma Fi Ui and evaluate sigma Fi. So in that particular here we will write sigma Fi is equal to 11 plus 6, 17 plus 7, 24 plus 4, 28 plus 4, 32 plus 2, 36 plus 1, 37. Wait, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 7. 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 4, 32, 32 plus 2, 32 plus 2, 34, 34 plus 1, 35, that is equal to 35. And now the value of sigma ui, sigma Fi ui, sigma Fi ui, that will be equal to 4 plus 4 plus 3, 8 plus 3, that is 11, and the negative terms will be minus 18 plus 22 and 7, that will be minus 6, that is minus 36, minus 36. The value of sigma Fi ui is equal to minus 36. 47 minus, oh yes, that is equal to minus 36. So 47 minus 11, that will be minus 36. Now we are going to use the formula. So x bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi ui upon sigma Fi into h, that is equal to, we have been considered 50 as the assumed mean. So this will be 50 plus the value of sigma Fi ui is minus 36 upon 35 into h, that is 10. So it will become 50 and 36 by 35 approximately equal to 1, that is 360 upon 35 minus 360 upon 35 and 360 upon 35, that means almost equal to 39.7, that is equal to 39.71. That is your required answer by the given method. So I am repeating that again. In assumed mean method, we have been used to the formula a plus sigma Fi di upon Fi, sigma Fi. In step deviation method, we will use x bar is equal to a plus h sigma Fi ui upon sigma Fi, in which we have to maintain this table, the value of class intervals, the value of frequencies, the value of class marks, and then after di, deviation, that is xi minus a, and after that this is also known as di upon h. Ui is equal to di by h, and after that there is Fi ui, sigma Fi ui, multiplying the frequency to the value of ui, you will get Fi ui for each class interval, and after that summation of all the frequencies and summation of the values of Fi and Ui, and calculating these values you can calculate the mean, that is using the formula A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi into H, and we will get the required result. That's all for my side today. After that we will proceed for the median in the upcoming classes. Thank you very much, and solve the questions related to mean from your NCERT book and unsolved papers. Thank you.